The first person used to order 2 pizzas worth $1,000 every Sunday for the family. During Diwali, the wife asked him to give the maid $1,000 as a bonus, but they ended up giving her only $500. The maid used the money wisely, and the incident taught the guy that sharing money with those in true need brings happiness. The second person was invited by someone with a monthly salary of 5,000 rupees to spend New Year's Eve in a slum. Despite the modest surroundings, the experience taught them the importance of sharing and the joy of being part of a community. In a third-person narrative, Joseph Heller attended a party where someone pointed out a young man who made more money in a year than all of Heller's books combined. Heller, however, claimed to have something the young man would never have, enough of all he wants. Einstein and Oppenheimer are shown discussing physics, emphasizing the importance of finding something one loves and being surrounded by people who share the same passion. The advice is to pursue what brings great satisfaction. In a breakup, a person turned to weed, but, witnessing the sadness of kids who couldn't afford ice cream, spent 25 rupees to buy it for them. The joy on their faces became a source of happiness, teaching the person that money can indeed buy happiness. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.